Hello, my name is Misty and welcome to Tri-County Farms. Jasmine looks bored. What we're doing today is I got a buck coming in on Sunday for these lovely girls that I got. And we're going to put him up in a small pen right here for now to keep him from being so stressed. And keep him away from the girls for at least a month or so. Get him all his good shots and stuff. Make sure he's good. He's going to have a new home. His name is Dusty from Gold Dust. We got a new buck. You saw the tractor work we were doing over here, getting everything ready, put up in this pen, working in the heat. It was just crazy. So it was all for this little guy. His name is Dusty. Say good morning, Dusty. He's a little shy right now, but not to the girls who are standing over there showing off. But soon, guys, he needs to get used to his place for a little bit. Get used to us. Get used to us. Chickens are doing good. Out and about this morning. It was a little too hot yesterday and the day before, so there he is. He is a pretty boy, doing all the stuff a buck does. He's 9 months old. I got it from Gypsy Sky down in Elgin, Texas. Look him up. Yes, Hank, we hear you. Hank is very vocal this morning. He slept really good in his house. He enjoyed it, I guess. What you think of all this? What you think of all this, Dusty? What you think? Here's the girls. Jasmine! That Jasmine wants to play. Trying to get her to stop doing that. You know how that is. She's 6 months old now. Actually, she'll be 7 months in a week or so. What is it over here? What are you doing to these goats? No, Jasmine. No, ma'am. Yeah, I hear you. I heard you. I heard you. They don't like it, Jasmine. They don't like it. They don't like it at all. You need to settle down. No. No, don't smell my pocket. There was an egg in it. Maggie, come here. Come here, Maggie. Yeah. What is it? Y'all see that new buck over there? Y'all see that new buck? What are you doing? Do you see him? Do you see him, Pepper? Do you see him? It's just a bucket. It's just a bucket. There's nothing in it. You curious little goat. Y'all girls ready to have some babies this spring? I sure am. I sure am. You gotta get ready. Yeah. Out there on the porch, I don't think you can see him because I can't zoom in, is Mr. Mac. That's Mr. Rufus. Call him Ruru. Everything else is going well as planned. We still got a lot to do on this farm. So hopefully you start seeing some changes here this winter. Girls getting bred. Spring babies. We're ready. I've got meat chickens coming in. I got some cross coming in on the 7th, so I've got to get ready for that. And I got a new garden house, hot house I've got to put up today, get the fall planting started, and hopefully you follow us along. If you want to continue to see any more of my videos, please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can see every time that I post. Now, I won't post as much as often as the other YouTube channels do. I'm a busy woman, so I'll get them in there as quick as I can. But I hope y'all have a good day, and God bless.